Hey everyone, today we're diving into a hot topic heating up the Great White North Alberta's potential separatism referendum. Now before you click away, trust me, this is something you'll want to stick around for, so let's set the stage. Recently, Calgary Mayor Jyoti Gondek and Edmonton Mayor Amarjeet Sohi have come out strongly against a potential referendum for Alberta to separate from Canada. They call it, and I quote, dangerous for the economy, social cohesion and national unity. But what does this really mean for Albertans and Canadians at large? First off, let's talk economics. Mayor Sohi warned that even the mere talk of separation could trigger a full flight of investment from Edmonton. Imagine businesses pulling out, jobs drying up, and a cloud of uncertainty hanging over Alberta. Investors thrive on stability, and a referendum like this could send shockwaves through the market. Meanwhile, Calgary's Mayor Gondek points to the lowered threshold for referendum signatures as a recipe for chaos. Premier Danielle Smith's new legislation drops the required signatures for a citizen-initiated referendum from 600,000 to just 177,000. This might sound democratic, but it's stirring the pot in ways that could be detrimental. Now let's get into the nitty-gritty legal stuff. The Supreme Court of Canada has made it clear. A province cannot just unilaterally separate. A vote to secede would plunge Alberta and the federal government into complex negotiations. We're talking First Nation treaties, federal land ownership, and a whole lot of legal mumbo-jumbo with no existing roadmap to follow. Sounds like a bureaucratic nightmare, right? But it's not just about law and economics. Socially, this referendum talk is tearing at the fabric of community cohesion. As Mayor Sohi puts it, it's dangerous talk that could tear communities apart. This isn't just political rhetoric. It's about real people, families and neighbours being divided over an uncertain future. And let's not forget the cultural angle. Bloc Québécois leader Yves-François Blanchet threw some serious shade by questioning if Alberta has a distinct culture outside of oil and gas. Ouch! It's a stark reminder that cultural identity plays a huge role in these movements, and it's something that Alberta needs to reckon with. So, where does this leave us? At a crossroads, really. Discontent in Western Canada is real, but is a referendum the right path? The mayors of Calgary and Edmonton argue it's not worth the risk to the economy, social cohesion, or the nation's unity. And maybe, just maybe, they're onto something. All right, that's it for today, folks. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more deep dives into Canada's most pressing issues. Until next time, stay informed and stay united.